What it do, G? It's your boy, voiceover minus in this thing, and this video is gonna be a lot of voiceovers. I ain't gonna cap, but basically we're gonna show you how we turn this boring ass room from this into this. Let's get it. All right, so these are the LED lights right here. Boom, 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 and this is the connector that's currently plugged into the wall right now, but I'm not finna show you because I'm not finna move the camera. But basically, I'm gonna show you how these get connected. So you're gonna see there's an arrow right there, and then there's an arrow right there to kind of show you what direction they go in. I just want to plug these in real quick. Boom. Just to kind of get an idea of what these joints look like. And it's daylight outside, so you might not really see the full colors right now, but that is them. Them is he. And this is the controller that comes with it. I think there's a battery in it. Let's see. Nope. Very lame, bro. All the other people got batteries with theirs. Hold on. I don't even care about the remote because it comes with an app. It comes with an app that you can actually download from the Play Store or the Apple Store, so you can control everything from your phone, which is even better. So what I'm gonna do here is each one of these LED strips, they come kind of double-ended or whatever, so to speak. So this just peels off, and there's an adhesive on this that you just stick on a wall. So that's what we finna do. We just finna get into it. Let's get it. All the shots aren't perfect or whatever, but oh well. I mean, it gets warm, but as far as overheating and causing a fire, that's not gonna happen. All right, so right now, as you can see here, I'm just unraveling the lights off the row that they came in. So at this point, the connector that I showed you earlier is basically what I'm taping on the wall. I had to kind of do a little bootleg rig on the wall. I just used some regular tape and just tape the connector on the wall, just so that way I can get as close to the ceiling as possible. And I wasn't really worried about it just sitting on the wall like that, because that particular wall is not going to be in any of my shots. As you can see, my computer's to the left, that's where my setup is, so my camera's not really gonna get anything on that wall. So I'm like, that's fine. So right now I'm just kind of struggling to get it taped up there, but this is just how my setup is. Yours doesn't exactly have to be like this, but this works for me. And you'll kind of see it. So basically right now, I'm like I said, I'm just peeling off the back of the strip, and I'm just pressing on the LED lights to the ceiling. Now, what you could do if you want to, you can clean the ceiling, just rub it with alcohol just to make sure that it's, free of dirt, make sure that there's nothing on it so that it sticks and lasts longer. I didn't do that. Probably should have, but I mean, the adhesive is pretty strong. It's pretty good quality, so I just kind of stuck it on there and just kind of went with it, and I haven't had any issues yet. Dang, you can tell I've been hitting the gym, my bad. I guess no one was gonna tell me that I wasn't camera ready. Woo. Damn, okay. Damn, okay. That kind of hurt. Now, what would be a good setup video if I didn't clean, So I'm just go ahead and run the vacuum real quick. And honestly, if y'all made it this far into the video, I appreciate y'all for for sticking through. And if you haven't already, just go ahead and like up the video for your boy. I'd appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. But I figured I'll just get a little cleaning real quick. I mean, this is not really necessary. If you want to skip past this part, I mean, it really doesn't matter. But I figured I'd just kind of get some stuff out the way and kind of show you how I'm putting everything together, It's my beautiful assistant right there. We're just wrapping up the final touches, and then yeah, we pretty much almost through. Oh shit, I forgot this was recording. Alright, you guys, this is pretty much the final end result. It looks pretty clean, and I'm pretty satisfied with the end result. I'm not mad at all. I'm actually loving it. was definitely, you know, a great gift. Definitely worth it. And here's what it looks like at nighttime. You can't tell me it's not clean. Oh, look at the setup. If you made it this far, like I said, I appreciate y'all. Just like, subscribe, and hey, share it with somebody who might be considering this, you know. Let them know it is lit. But yeah. And also, rate the setup. Let me know in the comment section below. 1 through 10. I mean, hey, just let me know. Oh yeah, so also, you know, this I can change colors too. Yeah, but yeah, I appreciate you guys for stopping through to the video. Yeah, you know, these it comes with a little remote too. I don't know if I already showed you, and it also plays with music as well. So you know, if I have something playing right now, it would actually pulsate with the beat of the song. So that, I mean, it's kind of lit. And hey, if you don't have any, get you some for sure. Deuces.